Welcome. This is Jamb 2012 government pass question. Question number 46 say Ecomog at the initial stage of its intervention in Liberia was perceived as dash. Ecomog at the initial stage of intervention in Liberia was perceived as dash. That is, the Liberians thought 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 about Ecomog. So option A say neutral, B say incompetent, C say partisan, D say invaders. During the Liberian war that lasted for about 12 years. That lasted for about 12 years. So Ecomog intervened, and the belief of the Liberian at initial stage was that they are considered to be an invader. That's why they poison their waters and so on and so forth. So option D is correct. Thank you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.